I have been training for over 11 years now, and unfortunately, I have wasted a lot of that time because I didn't know what I was doing. This is why in this video I will compress 11 years of muscle building knowledge in just a few minutes to make sure you progress much faster and don't waste years like I did. Everything I will tell you in this video is based on science and my years of experience helping hundreds of busy men get in their best shape ever as a certified health professional. So if you want to finally achieve your dream body, follow along and take notes. Number 1. Less is more. It's better to train less and recover instead of training more and not recovering enough. We don't grow when we work out, we grow when we rest after the workout. It's absolutely possible to make great gains just by training 2 to 3 days per week, as long as it's done correctly though. If you want to learn exactly how, keep watching. Number 2. Train to failure. Most people that train look as if they don't even work out because they never go hard enough on their sets. This is how they literally waste years of their life. If you want to build muscle as fast as possible, stay near failure. However, you just don't know how close to failure you really are. So just reach it on every set to make sure you don't waste your sets and time. Number 3. If you want to grow muscle as fast as possible, do 10 to 20 sets per muscle per week. But if you're super busy though, just do 5 to 10 sets per muscle per week and it will still do wonders for you. Number 4. Reps don't matter. Research shows you can build muscle as fast as possible by doing between 5 and 30 reps. In my opinion, it's best to train in 10 to 20 because it's safer, because you're using lighter weights, and it saves time because you don't have to warm up 30 minutes for your 3 rep max squat. Number 5. Do antagonist supersets to save time. This is when you choose an exercise for opposite muscle groups and do them back to back, like doing pull-ups and push-ups. Number 6. Do incline bench press instead of a flat one. It will still grow your whole pecs at the same speed, but it will emphasize on your upper chest, giving you an even more static look. Number 7. Do ass to grass squats instead of 90-degree ones. It stretches your quads more and leads to faster muscle growth. It also makes you use less weight, which saves time for warm-up and reduces pain from loading your spine with heavy weights. Number 8. If a muscle is sore, don't train it. Remember, we don't grow when we work out, we grow when we rest after the workout. Train it again once it's fully recovered and it feels fresh and strong again. Number 9. When it comes to building muscle, training is just 33% of the work. Recovery and nutrition are the other 66. Number 10. Alcohol kills your gains. It significantly lowers your sleep quality, which is one if not the most important factor to muscle growth. Quit it or just limit it to 1 to 2 glasses per week. Number 11. There is no perfect weekly split. Just choose the one you enjoy the most. It's better to progress slowly for life instead of quickly for just 2 weeks. Number 12. You will not progress at all, even if you train 7 days a week, if you don't make your workouts slightly harder each week. This is called progressive overload and it makes your muscles adapt and grow faster. Just add 1 rep or increase the weight slightly each week. Number 13. Don't train for a whole week every 8 to 12 weeks. This will help your body fully recover and make your muscles more sensitive to muscle growth. It's doing 1 step backwards to do 2 steps forward. Number 14. Choose exercises that are the hardest at the stretch position of the muscle. This leads to even more muscle growth. Think like preacher bicep curl instead of normal bicep curls. Number 15. Perfect form with lighter weights will get you further than poor form with heavier weights, because you will feel your muscles working better instead of loading your bones because you cannot control the weights. Number 16. Stop training your front and rear delts. You take care of them more than enough when training your back and chest. Instead, focus over your shoulder training to just your side delts. This will make you look much better with the same time and effort. Number 17. You will build muscle much faster if you eat more protein. Research suggests 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Just eat lean meat with your lunch and dinner, have a protein bar or a shake as an afternoon snack, and have protein pudding or Greek yogurt with a little bit of dark chocolate as a dessert after dinner. And by the way, if you want even faster results, I create a completely free science-based training program for you. You can get it immediately from the link in the comment section below. Number 18. If you have more than 12% body fat, you don't need to bulk. Your body will take energy from the fat on your body and will use that energy to build new muscle without you eating more food. Number 19. If you don't want to get fat when bulking, just add 250 calories to your maintenance daily calories. Adding more than that will most likely just result excess fat gain without gaining muscle any faster. Number 20. If you want to save even more time while working out, rest for just 30 seconds between sets. This will not hurt your muscle growth, because what actually matters for hypertrophy is staying close to failure. With this technique, it will just happen faster and easier. But keep in mind, your workouts will be slightly harder. Number 21. You're not building muscle as effectively as possible because you're going out of breath too early. Walk more or do supersets to work on your cardio, and ideally add 1 high intensity short cardio session per week. Number 22. Eat fast digesting carbs before workout. This will give energy and improve workout performance significantly. Think of like fruits, or the carbs from protein bars. Number 23. Never train too full or hungry. You'll just throw up, like I have done many times, or not have enough energy for a session that's effective enough. Number 24. Make sure you eat protein after workout within 2 hours to maximize muscle growth. Number 25. It doesn't matter how many meals you spread your protein in, as long as you hit your daily intake. Number 26. Not sleeping enough will make you lose muscle, no matter how hard you train and how well you eat. I'm speaking from personal experience here. I know it can be hard, especially when you're busy. However, fixing your sleep will fix 95% of your problems. Just try to get 7.5 to 9 hours per night, and even better if you go to bed and wake up at roughly the same time. Number 27. Eat more vegetables and fruits. They'll help you recover faster and make more gains. Number 28. Train the muscles you want to grow the most twice a week, because it's proven to lead to more muscle growth compared to just once a week. Number 29. It's pointless to do more than 10 sets per muscle in one workout. You get too tired and it becomes junk volume, which doesn't bring almost any results. Number 30. Protein bars, shakes and puddings are delicious and easy way to get in more protein while swapping regular unhealthy sweets. This is one of the easiest way to make body recomposition. Number 31. Warm up not by doing cardio, but by moving over your joints for 3 to 5 minutes. Number 32. Maintaining muscle mass is much easier than gaining it. In most cases, you can maintain your muscles by doing just half of the volume per week. Research shows you only need 3 to 5 sets per muscle weekly. Number 33. You can actually build muscle while losing fat at the same time, but only if you do it the right way. And if you want to learn exactly how, watch this video now.